Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful look, and you can recreate it for your Christmas outings and any event you have on Christmas day. So the first thing I had to do was to apply my aloe vera. I normally use it as a moisturizer or a primer, and it really works well to like make the makeup sink into the face. So next thing I do is to apply my Ezekiel foundation onto my face, and then I use a brush to blend it into my skin or to just make it go over my face. Then I use a beauty blender to blend it all out. You're going to make sure that the lines created by the brushes are not not seen anymore when you use this beauty blender. Then you go in with your concealer, use a lighter shade for the inner part, and then this other part I'm going to show you, you conceal them with the lighter shade of concealer, and then you use a more natural shade or a more natural shade for this other part of the face, and then you blend it out with your beauty blender. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment and share so that people will watch this video also. So after blending it, you're going to use a darker shade of concealer to as a contour, for your cheekbone and then your nose. I know you still haven't subscribed. Please do so by clicking that red subscription button on your screen and join the family. So now I'm going to set the concealer with a powder so that the concealer stays in place without creating lines under my eyes. Now we're going to draw our my brows, sorry. So I'm going to draw it. I want it to be really straight. I don't want it to have a arc like that. So I'm going to right now I'm going to conceal. This is like the scariest part for me because I have like it's very difficult for me to conceal my own brows, but I can do that for other people. So I'm going to try to get the brows to look even and natural. So now we are going into the eyeshadow. The first thing is to apply orange at the topmost part, but I don't know why it's not really showing like that, but I'm going to just keep patting it, and then I'm going to apply a brown, dark brown, also in a patting technique or whatever. Then now is the time for the crease, cut crease. I'm going to make sure it's above my crease because I want, even after wearing the lashes, you're going to see the lights. So I'm going to cut the crease and make sure you do that very neatly. Now I'm applying a white eyeshadow. If you don't have white eyeshadow, you can apply your setting powder, the white setting powder. So once you're done, you can now start drawing or tracing the cut crease with your eyeliner. Now it's time for the creation of the lights. So you're going to just create some little branches with your eyeliner, and you have to be really careful because any mistake here is very Yeah, I don't know. Any mistake here is undoable. You cannot reverse it. So you're just going to be careful while doing this. Now is the application. I'm going to make, why am I saying application now? I'm going to put the lights. Sha, don't laugh at my lights. I'm just trying my best. I used to create the lights. I used eyeshadow and setting spray. Then I'm going to put a white eyeliner inside to like so that it looks like lights. But I don't know, Sha. I made a mistake by not adding yellow color as my in addition to these colors here. Maybe that's why it doesn't look like Christmas light though, but Sha, we move. So you continue with your eyeliner inside the colors. Now I'm going to put my final setting powder so that I just set everything down and make it look really nice. So I've obviously done my red lipstick for the festive period, and then I'm going to clean my setting powder off my face. You're going to clean it gently so that it doesn't leave any mark on your face. So after that, you're going to spray your face, which I didn't show in this video. And then you put your highlighter and your blush. And then you're good to go with your diamond earring. So this is the final look, and I'm sure you're loving it, even though the eyeshadow did not come out as expected. But I'm sure you will do better with the tutorial I've given to you guys. So bye for now. Stay tuned because I'll be creating another style that you can wear or rock on Christmas Day. Okay.